Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing a craft activity. For that, you will need your activity book, well sharpened pencil, your eraser, craft paper to do the activity, crayons, and to stick the activity, we will need our Fevicol. Right? So you need to keep these things ready. And let's open to page number 6. Page number 6. To begin with, let us write today's date. Today's date is, we will write the date on this black line. 2/5/25/2. Reading it as 25th February. We read it as 25th February. Very good. Now, as usual, I will not tell you the topic first. Let us learn something new and then we will write the topic. To begin with, first we will take our craft paper. Now, children, to make this craft activity, you can take any color craft paper, right? I have taken the orange color. Now, listen very attentively. This is your colored side. Now, you will turn your craft paper to the white color side with no color. We need this side, right? So this is your first step, that I don't want the colored side. You will need your white side. Second step, hold your paper in a diamond shape. Means there are two tips, up and down, and the side tips. Now listen to these words carefully because I will use them again and again. You hold your paper diamond shape and there are two tips. One is upwards, one is downwards, and the other two are facing side. Now, the third step is to take the downwards tip over on the upward tip to form a triangle. Let's see how. Hold your paper, the downward tip, lift it up and put it over the upward tip very, very neatly and slowly. The white paper should not be seen from any sides. Hold the tip carefully and then slowly press this line. Very slowly press the line, not too hard, right? Then lift it over and see if you can see any white side. No, that means it is clean and neat. Now you can press this paper hard, tight. So you get a nice crisp line. So open it. Open the triangle. Now, this paper was in diamond shape. Now you need to again turn the paper. Turn it so that you get this folded line as standing. You get this folded line as standing line. The next step is I want this slant line. Listen very attentively, children. I want this slant line over this standing line. Right? Watch. Hold your side tip. Hold your side tip. With the other hand, hold the upper tip. With your finger, hold the upper tip, the point. Now lift up the side tip and very slowly and neatly bring this slanting line, bring it at the folded standing line like this. Now with your thumb, hold it, and with your pointer and thumb, fold it very neatly. Right? Fold it very neatly. So now I get a nice pointed tip with the slanting line on the folded standing line. See? Nice and neat. Very good. Next, I want the other side also to come over this folded standing line. So again, lift up the side tip. With the other finger, hold the tip again tight, and your thumb hold the folded line here and bring it over very neatly and slowly. Here. Very slowly. It should be very neat here on the line. I gotta hold the two folds and then press this line. You need to use your fingers very carefully when you are doing any craft activity. Right? You need to use all your fingers to hold and to fold. Right? So this is my pointed tip and a colored triangle like this. I hope you have understood till here. Our next step is we have a downwards triangle left. Now you lift up the downward tip and put it over like this. On this sleeping line, you will get a neat fold. When you're folding, see that you get a nice pointed tip here and your triangle does not go like this. Don't fold like this. I don't want this tip, but a very neat tip on this side as well as on this side. When I get both the tips correct, then I need to press this line. Right? Now I have a neat and clean triangle. Right? So be careful of all these three tips. They should not be over each other. See, this looks neat. But in a hurry, don't fold it too upwards. You will get it like this, which will not look neat. So this is the way you fold your triangle. Now, our next step is open this triangle. Take your Fevicol. right? Apply a little Fevicol like this, right? And spread it with the tip only. Spread it with the tip, right? Yes. Now, again fold this triangle where it was. Press it lightly. Don't press it too hard. Your paper may tear. So this is the way I have stuck. Now this will not come out. Very good. Now watch very carefully. Our next step. Again, you need to bring this sleeping line on this triangle but leaving the tip. Leaving the tip. That means this line, this sleeping line should not touch the tip here. Just below you where you have stuck. Where you can see this Fevicol mark. Yes, you just put it over like this. Hold it. And a nice sleeping line. Don't fold it like this. Yes, it does not look neat. See that you fold it very neatly. You have to be very neat and slow in your craft work. Then only will it look neat and tidy and beautiful. Very good. So this is our last fold. Again, open it. Take your Fevicol. Apply a little Fevicol again. Spread it with your Fevicol bottle tip so that you don't dirty your fingers. Yes. And again, you put it over. You put it over it. And you have stuck this. Yes? Very good. By now you must have guessed, right? What have we done today? Looks something like a boat, right? It looks something like a boat. It is a type of boat. It is not a boat, but a type of boat. And this boat has a special name. This boat has a special name. Do you know that? The name of this boat is Yacht. It is called a yacht. Shall we repeat it? It is a yacht. This is a yacht. We have made a craft paper yacht today. Now children, can you tell me where does a yacht sail? Does it sail on the road or in the air? No. A yacht sails on water. Yacht sails on water. So, we need to make this yacht sail on water. But before that, we need to stick this yacht right in place. So, for that, turn over your yacht. Turn over your yacht to the plain side. Take your Fevicol. Apply it here. Right? Again, spread it with your bottle tip. Right? Again, you turn it over and stick it right in the middle like this. like this. Now, our next step is to make this yacht sail on the water. So for that, you need your light blue color crayon. You need your light blue color crayon to make the water. Now, to make the water, watch very carefully, right? You just need to make the waves of the water. And how do you make waves? You just start from the down point and jump down and up and down and up and down. See that you don't touch the borderlines, right? Now, we will do one more wave. You begin from here. Up and down, up, down, up and down. The third wave, let us start from here. Up, down, up and down. This is the way you will do your water waves. Don't do the water coloring it everywhere, right? I need only the waves because a yacht sails on the waves. It goes up on the wave and below. So now we will write the name of the topic on this black line. Take your pencil. On this black line, A, capital Y, A, C, H, T. A yacht. Yes? So this is the way you will do your craft activity. A yacht. Be neat and clean and very tidy in your craft work. Thank you.